the law of design or creation, the law of design. We are what we repeatedly do. Excellence, then, is not an act, but a habit, often attributed to Aristotle, but a few people have said that. Or another one is show me your habits, and I'll show you your future. The thing with this law is that people don't decide their future. They don't sit in the present and go, oh, this is going to be my future, and I'm just going to create that and manifest it. No, you build your future. You build your future in the present. As you act differently day to day, moment to moment, present tense, your future is being constructed through the habits and the choices that you make today. And so this law of human transformation, realizing your full potential, is to realize you're not going to wake up tomorrow and have the future because you put it on a vision board. You're not going to wake up next month and say, oh, wow, I've got this huge commission check because I dreamed it into existence. No, if you aren't doing today the things that are going to pan out and project that into your present tense when you arrive there, then you'll never get there. And so you have to realize that, look at yourself and say, am I actually doing the things day to day that are going to make me $100,000 a month in commissions if that's your goal? Are you doing the core reviews? Are you getting the mentorship? Are you changing your environment so that you're not a big fish in a small pond, but you're now the small fish that has to grow into the big pond? If you aren't doing it today, don't kid yourself that you're going to arrive to the future you want next month or 6 months from now. It's never going to happen unless you follow the law of creation. Create it, design it, build it into existence starting today. That's the law of human transformation number 5. Oh, there's another slight explanation here. Our lives are not discovered. As I said, they're designed through the repeated actions, and the standards will eventually create the future that we inhabit. If you don't change your actions, if you don't change your standards, or if you keep saying, I'll change it tomorrow, I'll change it tomorrow, I'll change it tomorrow, you can show me your habits and I will tell you your future. You will be a broke closer. So create the life, design the life in the present moment so that you actually arrive at the future that you say you want to create. How many deals have you already lost this week that you could have closed but didn't because you were out of state? I'm not a fan of sales hacks, but if there was one thing you could do before your next sales call to raise your closing percentage, it's using my patented pre-call checklist. Imagine taking just 60 seconds to read 5 to 7 personalized bullet points on a piece of paper, and as unbelievable as it may sound, puts you into the optimal state to access your highest sales skills on every call. That's the pre-call checklist. I'm going to show you how to create your own. All you need is a piece of paper and to go through the training that I'm going to give you. Thousands of salespeople have used this framework to close more deals, and you can have your own for free. No strings attached, in a matter of minutes. Click the link below this video, enter your email, and grab it right now.